What's going on, guys? So, I'm not gonna waste no time. We're gonna get into it. How to ask her to be your girlfriend, guys. The way you do this is by not asking her to be your girlfriend. Now, I know this sounds crazy because when you ask her to be your girlfriend, what you're doing is that male and female energy. You're taking on female energy. The woman is the one that acts as the man for a relationship. Guys, you got to remember that even though we're in modern day times, you got to think back to the 1940s, 1950s. The women wanted a relationship with the man. The women wanted to marry the man. They wanted the man to propose. The women wanted to have kids and start a family. So even though that was in the 1940s, 1950s, 1960s, although we have changed, dating has changed, a lot of our innate responses to things are the same, you know? So you gotta wait. You can't just ask her to be your girlfriend. There's a certain way to do it, which I'll get into, but you have to remember that you never ask her to be your girlfriend because now she knows you want her to be your girlfriend, and what she'll do is she just won't say yes. Basically, she'll keep you. She'll be like, "Oh, I got him. He wants me to be his girlfriend. Okay, let me put him on the back burner since I already know he wants to be with me, and let me search out and see if I can find better options." And then she'll go out and she'll actively look for better options. And then if she can't find better options, then she might mosey her way back and be like, "Oh yeah, let's be together." But the point is, you never want to be in that situation where you're at the mercy of her, because one thing for sure, if she's out looking for better options, 9 times out of 10 she's going to find better. That's just who we are as men. There's always a guy out there with more money, in better shape, better job, nicer car, better house, more status than you. There's always somebody better than you. So, it's just what's going to happen. Also, somebody new, just having a new person is better than the old person because she already know everything about you. This guy that she don't know about is going to be more interesting because she has to figure him out. Okay. So anyway, I said a lot, but let's get into how to get her to become your girlfriend without asking. Okay. Let me take a little sip here. Drinking coffee. All right. So this is how you do it, guys. What you do is you start dating a girl, right? You take her out once per week, right? Make sure you're taking her out once per week. If you can't take her out once per week, then at bare minimum, you're taking her out at least once every 2 weeks, right? And what'll happen is the more time you guys go out, the more time you spend together, the more her emotions for you will grow, right? Usually by week 7 or 8, if you haven't messed things up by then and things are still going good, usually by week 7 or week 8 is usually where a woman starts falling in love with you, right? And it could take longer. Every woman's different, but the key point here is that you got to give a woman time for her emotions to build for you. And women's emotions are slow. They take time to build. The love that she has for you takes time, weeks, months to build, right? So you got to give her time, right? Usually what'll happen is this. By the 7th or 8th week of y'all going out on one date, it could be more, but just a bare minimum 1 date per week, she's going to start growing feelings for you, right? And what'll happen is by week 9, 10, however long it goes on for, if you keep doing things right, you keep taking her out, you keep spending time with her at least once per week, what happens is over time, she'll be like, I'm starting to fall for him. He hasn't asked me to be his girlfriend yet. Are we just in a situationship? What is this? And she'll be like, I gotta know, what is this? What are we doing? Where is this going? Is this going further, or are we just playing games? What's going on? And what'll happen is eventually she'll ask you. She'll say, hey, or she'll say something like this. Hey, you know, I'm a little confused. We've been spending all this time together, and, you know, I want to know, are we moving forward with this? Are we going to the next level? Or she'll hit you with the, what are we? What is this? Where's this going? She'll say it in some way to let you know that she wants to know what's going on with the situation. Okay? And if you want to make her your girlfriend, then you'll respond and say, let's take things to the next level. Let's do this. Or if you don't want her to be your girlfriend, then you'll just say, you know, that's not, you know, I'm not ready to move things to the next level. But regardless, the point is this: at that point, the ball's in your court for you to decide whether she's your girlfriend or whether you want to keep things where they're at. Okay. So you see how the male to female energy is. You're asking her, she's asking you, you making the final decision. We're together or we're not. Okay. That is how to get a girl to be your girlfriend. You never ask her. Anytime you ask her to be your girlfriend, it's not going to work out for you. And you're going to get put on the back burner, because you got to remember, in her mind, she already got you. If you're asking her to be your girlfriend and she knows she already got you. So she's like, all right, I already got this dude. Let me go over here, see if I can find better. And then if I can't find better, I'll come back. 9 times out of 10, she's probably going to find better. So do it the way I said. Trust me, guys, I've actually tried this because I wanted to see, am I crazy? Like, I know what my rules are. I know how I date. But am I crazy? Let me just ask. And I did that years ago for you guys. And it did not work. It did not work. So this is tried and true advice. I don't talk about nothing that I haven't experienced or done before. Okay. These are lived experiences over 10 plus years of dating. Guys, I'm 32. I just had a birthday. I'm 32. Okay. I spent my entire 20s dating. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. So if you want to get coaching, I do email coaching or I do one-on-one coaching, either 30 minutes or an hour. All of that information will be down below. Also, I have a Patreon. I think it should be $5. Guys, my videos, when I'm done recording the video, sometimes it doesn't go live for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on my schedule. So if you want to get the videos literally as soon as I post them, right? As soon as I'm done hitting record, if you want to get the video ASAP, join the Patreon. That's where all the videos will be. Literally, once I'm done recording them, they go straight to Patreon. They may not hit YouTube for about 4 weeks. So if you want to get access to me as soon as I post a video, go to Patreon. We'll also be doing group Zoom calls on there. I'm gonna start that too. So if you want to do that, Patreon's below. All my links is below, guys. Thanks for watching. This means a lot to me. You guys mean a lot to me, and I'm glad I could help you guys. As you can see, I'm dressed for the gym. My throat's dry. About to go to the gym, work out. Normally be in a suit, but whatever. About to go to the gym. So I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Guys, so if you got any value from this video, I would suggest you consider my YouTube automation course. Now, it's very affordable. It's not one of those $1,000 courses where we try to upsell you. This is just a one-on-one course that I made specifically affordable because I just got tired of people scamming, people who were just looking for knowledge. So in this video, we keep everything official and transparent. We don't try to hold anything. We're giving you guys all the gems and all the tools that you need. And we're letting you know the tips and tricks that, you know, and stumbles that and pitfalls that I had actually building my 2 faceless YouTube channels. So So we're going to go over the AI tools needed. We're going to actually build a Faces video from scratch. We're going to do it from scratch live. And also, guys, if you don't want to go the AI tools route, maybe you want to be totally hands off, you want to just pay somebody to do it for you, we're actually going to go over how to build a team, where to get your team, and actually what to look forward to when doing it that route too. So we cover both ways, whether it's the AI tools, using AI to make the videos, or whether you're going to pay a team to make the videos. We cover all of that. We also cover how to build a YouTube brand. A lot of people forget this. They think that you just make the video and post it. No, you actually have to make a brand with logos, with channel art, and optimize your channel for your target demographic. We go over that as well. If you got any value from this, I would consider purchasing my course where we dive right into it.